me. Oh.
KGR, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be replacing a spark plug on this 2012 Dodge Caravan. I'm just going to show you how to take off the intake. That's the most biggest part. Once you get through all that, you can do the rest. Alright, KGR, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. KG, let's go get it. much it. We're just going to take off the spark plug. If you can do that. And the spark plug is 10. You just push this tab, pull it out. That's it. KGR. Right back. Okay, encourage you. We're going to put back the cover now. It was the number 2 ignition coil that was firing. I changed the plug and the ignition coil. So you just want to pull back this. I might not be able to video everything. So I have to do that. Tie that, tuck that in, grab it. So you have about 7-8 bolts. I suppose the intake. You have to have something like this. Take out the one on in the middle, the two on the middle. So with the big socket where it going, you have to have a smaller 8. So for the plug, the 5/8. That's what I use. So just want to put this back in. That's pretty much it. We're going to put the intake on right there, KGR. So that's pretty much it. The box is in back there, everything looks nice and neat. So KGR, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. KG. Bye for now. Peace. I'm out.